Kitchenaid Artisan stand mixer. This mixer can mix everything you throw at it. It is also a perfect gift for people who love baking. Kitchenaid is known for developing their most premium stand mixers out right now. So you probably want to consider this mixer as a gift for your home-cooked friends. Instant Pot Duo. These slow and pressure cookers can help you a lot in preparing main menu. It can help you in saving time in cooking a traditional time-consuming main menu. It is also a high-quality gadget too, so you probably want to consider this device as a gift for Christmas. Nespresso Vertuo Plus. This smaller coffee dispenser uses Nespresso pods to give you coffee in an easy, quick, and painless way. This Nespresso Vertuo Plus can easily fit into a kitchen since it can be slotted in wherever's convenient. Philip Juicer. This juicer definitely fits its name. It can make juice from any range of objects you throw at it, from orange and apples to harder things like pomegranate seeds and nuts. It will produce a smooth and silky glassy looking juice. NutriBullet Pro 900W. These juicing machines can blend whatever you throw in. You can easily make a quick healthy smoothie or paste with a range of different ingredients every day thanks to this device. Cuisinart Waffle Maker. This waffle maker has a griddle arranged so your waffles will be in a traditional square pattern. It is quick and easy to use, which is perfect for your home-cooked friend that love to make waffle. Google Home Hub. This relatively smart speaker comes with a screen that gives it loads of skills that might be useful to home baking and cooking. You can use the screen to view recipes or tutorials, and you can also use the Home Hub to change music, answer the phone, and see other bits of information, all without using your hands.